Okay, so you're going to assemble, separate the. Okay, so this is the washing basin, soaping, and the rinsing. Okay, you separate. Dapat na ang scope ani. Di ba mo man itong igamit pag prepare your level. Okay, so you're going to clean with water inside. Also, you're gonna put dishwashing liquid here. So, kini kay washing pa man, so you're gonna wash. And then you can also use this one. So, the bottle brush inside and out. Circular motion, then same process. Then the big one. Then you're gonna use the small one for the nipple. But you're going to squirt this one. Mamilit pa ng mga residue. Okay, then after that, you're going to naman yung sabon din, no? So, if you wanted to, again, so, you do it. Then, for rinsing naman ito. So you're gonna add on another water, no? So after that washing, you're going to prepare. So galing hugasan dyan ha, ipakita. I'm going to transfer the clean basin. Already washed. So ready for sterilization. So I'm going now to prepare. This is the traditional one using the hot water, no? So I'm going to put on cloth so that to avoid melting of the nipple, no, the small items. I'm going to pour 3/4 of the water inside. So assuming there's water inside, and then we put on the big items. Small items. Okay, so you're going to turn on the fire, the oven, and then you're going to set into 100° Fahrenheit ang kainiton. So full blast ninyo hang stove, no? And then you're going to boil this for 25 to 30 minutes. So after 25 to 30, you're going to remove all the items inside. But when you reach 5 to 10 minutes, you're gonna remove first the small items to avoid melting also. So assuming that it's already boiling and it reached 5 to 10 minutes, I'm going to remove first with my clean steel tong na nino. So inside out. So I'm going to use this clean basin, and then I'm gonna remove first the small items. boiling until it reaches to 25 to 30 minutes. No? So reaching 30 minutes already, so I'm going to turn off the stove, and then you're gonna use also the pot holder, no? Kay init na siya, no? And then you're gonna remove the big items. Okay, so you assemble the items. No, before you assemble, you let it dry for 1 to 2 hours. So you can hold this one. So if there is a dry rack, ato ibitang iyahang patungan ani. Kasi may dry rack sa ito. Okay, so this is how you're going to sterilize using the casserole, no? But the other one, the sterilizer, so after washing, so sani kumanaman nato kung ano kanang hugas. Assuming we're done washing this one, and we're going to use the sterilizer. So the sterilizer will be plugged into the kuryente, diba? So, kani siya dapat unta ito mo i-dry up ninyo. Wala mo tayo spare line. During the assessment, nasa like mo ingon ani. Dito ninyo i-dry up. Huh? Okay, so this is the sterilizer. So you're gonna put a little amount of water inside. Diba, Mone?
Yes.
Okay, then you put on the wash feeding bottles, the big one. Ihugasan siya nun eh. So, pwede pa siya makamot na. Then, the small items should be placed here. And you're gonna plug this one and then turn on. There's a timer man na siya until mo turn off siya. So that's the time that you're going to take it out. And then same process, inyo na pong ipa-dry 1 to 2 hours. Then after drying is you gonna assemble the items. Mas klaro? So that's it lang. Okay, just put sabon in the basin and then you leave it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, muragi humol and binisaya ba ang items inside. So you're gonna use the dishwashing liquid. There are a lot of brand name naman no, intended for the cleaning of the infant feeding bottles. Ayaw tong inyong tanang kuan, tanang karita. No? Video, di ba? Okay, so ang atong sterilization, di ba? You have your washing, soaping, and rinsing. So same process, you wash, you sabon, then you rinse. Then after that, magkuha kag basin, butangan na po ni mo dishwashing, so you leave it for 30 minutes. So that is the cold sterilization. Cold sterilization. So, kasagaran ha. So after 30 minutes, maswasan na po ni mo dry 1 to 2 hours, then assemble. Pero usually kanimo ay hindi napa-perform. I be correct with you during your demonstration, by the way, during the demonstration in your stimulating the rooting reflex, ang uban kay wala kay kakuha yun, no? So when you stimulate, you can use also you can use your nipple para di na maghawid pa sa kamot, no? Kaya ang uban kay pila lang to naka-execute. So you're gonna stroke the inner lip or inner mouth, no? So that the baby will turn the side, no? Where you're stimulating. And then, once mo turn na si baby, you're going to stimulate the swallowing. So, di ba mungangaman siya? So, yung anak ni mo, niya, ready na po mo sak ang dila niya, imusad na siyang stroke dito inside. So, ready for, wala na ning pag-ingog saking swallowing, wala na. So, asa yung feeding na to? Wala na gi-explain nga. So, feeding is to start na, kay na naman ang reflexes. Pag mag-swallow nga, giibot ka sa dayon. Wrong to inyo, ha. So, i-specify din nga reflexes ninyo na stimulate na. So, let me start feeding now. Then after that, before you remove, I told you to gently press the side so that the baby will be aware that you're going to take it out the feeding bottle also. Kaya di sumunan niyo bunlot. Diba? So, dili naman hinoon, but ano siya, idampi lang siya niya. Ay, natin mo i-remove. Looping reflex na din. Okay, so for those who are